Hello there and welcome. My name is Alex Morton and I'm the Executive Vice President of iMarkets Live. Whoever sent you this video likes you, trusts you, respects you, and is genuinely excited to share this information with you. You see, I've been involved in the industry of network marketing now for over 8 years, and my life has truly been blessed. I've been able to travel all over the world, make a ton of money, but most importantly, help people just like you experience financial increase in their life. I have never been this excited and confident in my entire career, and this is why. iMarkets Live has pioneered education on the foreign exchange markets. You see, Forex is a $5.3 trillion per day industry, and what iMarkets Live has done, it has married $5.3 trillion with a $180 billion per year industry, which is network marketing. This company has been able to educate now over 50,000 people all over the planet and is allowing people just like you to experience financial abundance in their life. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to break this company down, and I'm genuinely excited to help you guys see the bigger picture here with iMarkets Live. Be sure to watch the end of this video and then get back with the person who sent you this link and get started today as a customer. Listen, I'll tell you what, life can change just like that. At 21 years old, I saw this industry, I saw this profession, and I made one big decision that dramatically changed the course of my life forever. This can be your big shot. See you guys on the other side. All right, well, let's get straight to it. Once again, guys, my name is Alex Morton. I'm the Executive Vice President of iMarkets Live. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to break this company down from 0 to 100, A to Z. So let's get right to it. So first off, guys, here's the deal. The cash flow quadrant, okay? Robert Kiyosaki wrote a best-selling book, okay, called Rich Dad, Poor Dad, way back in the day, and it explains the 4 ways people make money. We have employees, we have the self-employed, we have business owners, and we have investors. As you can see, guys, 95% of people, the people who struggle financially, they live paycheck to paycheck, they never get to experience the most out of life, right? 95% of people, they're employees and they're self-employed. What we're going to talk about here, today is how you can become a business owner and an investor here with iMarkets Live. Listen, I'm not the smartest person in the world, but I made a decision at a very young age. I said when I grow up, I'm going to follow people that have what I want. You don't have to be smart to make a lot of money. All you have to do is be able to recognize opportunity and be at the right place at the right time with the right people. And when an unbelievable opportunity presents itself, that's when you have to be smart enough to say, hey, I accept the invitation for financial increase. So let's talk about Forex here, really fast. Okay, so what is Forex? Well, it's the largest financial market on planet Earth. Okay, it's where you trade one currency for another. It's 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And guys, get this, it's $5.3 trillion per day. $5.3 trillion per day. And you can access this, you can trade on any device, either a demo account, aka a practice account, or a real money account. So moving forward, what is iMarkets Live? Okay, iMarkets Live, our company here, we are a first-class Forex educational company. We were founded July 4th, 2013, and we are now operating. We have customers in over 120 countries all over the planet, debt-free, privately owned. Okay, this company is going places, and we're going places in a hurry. So, corporate leadership. Okay, corporate leadership, guys. First off, our CEO and founder, Mr. Christopher Terry. He is the Cristiano Ronaldo. He is the LeBron James of the Forex world. He happens to be one of my best friends, and he is an absolute visionary. And he sees his company going to the moon, and, coming back and going again. This guy has a heart of gold. He cares about people. He started this company because he wanted to help serve as many people as possible and help other people all over the planet experience financial abundance. Next up, we have Miss Isis De La Torre, the CFO of this company. She is one of the sharpest business women I've ever met in my entire life. She has every financial license you can imagine. She's got degrees. coming off the end of her business card, and she is a very, very intelligent woman. Another person that I am blessed to call a very close friend of mine. Next up, we have myself. I'm the Executive Vice President of iMarkets Live. I don't know everything about everything, but I've been in the industry now for almost 8 years. I've been fortunate to have earned, several $1 million, and I can help you. I want to help you get to where you ever want to go, with your life. And then we have the Vice President of Sales, Mr. Yvonne Tapia, one of my closest friends. This guy is an absolute monster when it comes to building network marketing businesses. So what makes us so unique? Well, we have results with our services. They're not guaranteed. So we're not over here saying everybody that joins iMarkets Live as a customer is going to make a ton of money. We're not saying that, right? Results are always based on individual effort. We're going to give you all the tools you need to become a proficient trader, but then it's going to be up to you. Here at iMarkets Live, guys, we do not trade your money or handle investments. Okay, you can enter and exit trades at any given time, guys. Our objective here is not to say, hey, we're going to turn your dollar into $10. No, our objective is to empower, enrich, and educate millions and millions of customers all over the planet. We're an educational company, right? So let's talk about some of our products. First up, one of my favorite products, guys, IML Academy. These are 60+ videos, okay, recorded videos that are going to educate you and teach you and really take you from basic to intermediate all the way up to advanced over here, learning about Forex, learning about how you can make money. You can become a trader in the largest financial market on planet Earth. Next up, iMarkets Live TV, an unbelievable product here. Another one of my favorites here, guys. Over 75 hours of live Forex education. Live Forex education translated into dozens and dozens of languages. So for your teams and your customers all over the globe, they can access this information and they can learn how to make money in the largest financial market on planet Earth. And we are always adding, we are always improving this product. One of our goals here with just this one product, iMarkets Live TV, is one day to have 24 hours a day of live education. That's going to be absolutely amazing. Next up, we have the harmonic scanner. Here's the deal. We specialize in education and we specialize in automation. Harmonic scanner, it's simple. It's a tool to help you go into the markets and create a profit. Make money from your smartphone all over the world. It's privately owned software and it has high accuracy predictions in the marketplace. Next up, Web Analyzer, right? Another product that's going to teach you and show you and help you go into the markets as a customized platform, right? You can combine it with your trading strategy, and it's another tool to help you make money in the Forex market. Next up, daily swing trades, right? You're gonna have a chance to learn and earn with our CEO and founder, Mr. Christopher Terry. Get weekly trade forecasts. Imagine, okay, having somebody that's made so much money in Forex give me and you, give our customer base, right, trades. We're not guaranteeing you're gonna win every single time, but hey, this guy, he truly is the best of the best. Next up, we have swipe trades, right? Copy and paste. Imagine utilizing your phone, getting a swipe trade alert, boom, you copy and you paste and you have the ability to profit. You're going to receive trade alerts, you copy and paste it. No trading experience, needed. Remember, before I was in this company, guys, I didn't even know what Forex was. Somebody said Forex, I said for who? You don't have to be an expert here to have the ability to profit in the foreign exchange market. So, with that being said, how can you get started? This is how you can get started right here, right now. Listen, IML Academy, IML TV, harmonic scanner, daily swing trades. Guys, these could be standalone products that we could sell for $100 a pop easily. And today, guys, $195. For $195, you're going to get educated and empowered on how you can transform your financial future here with iMarkets Live for $195. So you got the $195 platinum package, and then boom, additional add-ons, guys, swipe trades, fusion trader, web analyzer, and FX signals live, an extra $15 a month for some of these products. I mean, again, where else can you go? You try to go learn Forex tonight and you Google Forex or you YouTube Forex, guys, you're going to have people trying to sell you coaching coaching platforms for $5 grand, 10 grand, $25,000 weekends. Guys, for $195, you're accessing the most premier foreign exchange educational platform anywhere on the entire planet. So one of the things that makes us so unique here at iMarkets Live is you can actually make money as just a customer. What does that mean? That means you don't have to sell. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to go call up your neighbors and your family and your cousins and your friends. No, all you have to do, right, is follow the steps. Become educated and empowered with our products and services here. The testimonials around the globe are excruciatingly insane, okay? I'm just letting you guys know these products and services are teaching people how to become proficient traders. Some of you spend 50 grand, 80 grand on college. Well, spend $195, okay, and get educated on how you can become a proficient trader here at iMarkets Live. Now, you can also get these products and services for free. Now remember, you don't have to engage in the network marketing side of this business. In fact, over 75% of the people in this company, all they do, they're just customers, okay? They're just customers. They use the products, they love the products. However, if you want to get your products and services for free, go out there and share it with 2 people. Guys, we call this right here 2 and free. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have Instagram, you have Snapchat, you have a phone book of people that are struggling financially. You have a phone book of people that want more out of life. You have a phone book of people that you went to high school with, that you went to college with, that you play basketball with, you know, at the YMCA, that want a vehicle to transform their finances. Well, share this concept with 2 people and boom, when they become customers, your monthly subscription fee is now absolutely free. Now, here's the deal. We actually have several bonuses here at iMarkets Live. Remember, I've been in the industry, you know, for 8 years. Prior to me becoming the vice president of iMarkets Live, I already earned millions of dollars in the industry, okay? But when I saw this concept, I said, this is where the average person can win. This is where the college kid, this is where a high school dropout, right? This is where a single mom, a single dad, right? You know, a truck driver has the opportunity for financial increase, okay? So the only bonus I'm actually going to talk about here, remember, this is a voluntarily type of situation. You don't have to share this with anybody, but our compensation plan here, guys, at iMarkets Live is unbelievable. When you have 3 customers in your organization, guys, you're going to earn $150 extra per month. 3 customers, $150 a month, okay? 12 customers. Now, it's not you getting 12 customers, it's you introducing a few people and then showing those few people how to go out there and acquire, guess what? More customers. When you accumulate 12 customers in your organization, guys, that's $600 extra per month, okay? Maybe you want $1,000 a month. Well, accumulate 30 customers in your organization for $1,000 a month. And as you can see, this compensation plan, we like to call it, it goes all the way up from $150 a month, $600 a month, all the way up into some pretty impressive incomes. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you everybody is going to become a chairman 10 in this company, but as I record this presentation for all of you right now, we have over 73 chairman 10s and above inside of our company. So I saw this compensation plan. I said, hey, this is where normal people can win. This is where the little guy can win. And this is also where the big fish, right? The big fish can also win very, very big. Now, I'm telling you this because regardless of your economic standpoint, regardless of your financial standpoint right now, I don't care how much money is in your bank account. I don't care how little money is in your bank account. Right now, you can actually make a decision, okay, to say, you know what, I'm ready to make this year the best year of my life. I'm ready to become a customer here at iMarkets Live, to align myself with people like Christopher Terry, like people like Yvonne Tapia, people like Isis Stellatori, right? And I'm going to surround myself with winners and enter an environment in a culture, okay, where I'm going to be able to grow into the best version of myself. So in conclusion, guys, this is what's going to happen when you decide to become a customer here with iMarkets Live. Number 1, you're going to get access, right, to prestigious leadership across the board, corporate, field, and traders. Guys, world-class products and education, dynamic platform for any situation, guys. An unbelievable culture. I believe our culture here at iMarkets Live is one of those magical environments that I've ever witnessed, guys. And you're gonna get passionate, and you're gonna have people that care about you. We have Facebook pages, we have WhatsApp page, we have Telegram, pages all set up to help you become the next big success story here as a customer at iMarkets Live. So, guys, on behalf of iMarkets Live, let me be the first to welcome you to our family, welcome you to our company, and I promise as your Executive Vice President to do everything in my power to help you actually obtain your goals, your dreams, and your desires. Whoever sent you this video, get back with them, get started as a customer here with us, right here, right now, and welcome. I want to congratulate you on taking the first step in your journey to massive, massive success. You guys have a great evening. Bye for now.